Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm putting out yet another cleaning video, and this is part 2 of the one that I've already put out of me just trying to get this nursery cleaned up. Baby girl is now she's a year 15 months, and so it's not really a nursery anymore, it's more of a bedroom, but it's been a big mess so far with a ton of clothes that I'm just trying to organize, some to go to the donation center, some to go to the consignment center, and just, have things that are going to fit her now or fit her later, just in their designated area. So this has been a long process. I'm not going to talk too much throughout the video, so hope you guys enjoy. And if you like these kind of videos, give me a heads up, let me know down below so I can keep them coming. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So guys, this is the room. This is where we are at. We've come a long way. Got my eldest kid over there. Well, not my eldest, my middle child watching the baby, because I definitely need the help to get this, in order to get this done. So I still have a little bit of arranging to do, but my main goal today is just trying to go through this bin and this one. This one I know contains some baby stuff, new things, maybe with tags on it, that I might probably keep. And this one is just like all the stuff that don't fit anymore. And I'm trying to decide if I should just keep it in the bin downstairs or try to purge some of it that I really don't like. So this one, like I was saying before, contains older stuff that's been handed down from my oldest kids. And I'm only keeping very few of them. Only the things that are actually in really good condition that I think is worth keeping. So yeah, guys, just come along for the ride and let's get this room done or cleaned up to the best of my abilities, at least today. I also have a few things I need to do in here as well, like taking down some of the old portraits and stuff to arrange it a little bit, but we'll do that in another video. So in case you're wondering, I'm doing something similar to what I did in the last video. I am basically sorting these clothes and I have them going in 3 separate piles: the keep, the consignment shop, and donate. And I'm actually surprised. This process is going smoother than expected. I thought I'd have a harder time getting rid of some of the clothes. I thought I'd be a little bit more attached to them, but not really. I ended up getting rid of quite a bit, and I am gonna have to go through these bins again and organize them according to size and stuff, but I couldn't do that in this video. So if you guys want to see that as well, request for another video down below and I will definitely do it. You pick up that bin there for me? Yeah. So that's it for today's video, guys. I went ahead, I took this picture down because it honestly doesn't go very good with our room, even though it's got pink in it. It's just not the theme I'm going for. This thing her sisters got her, it's not even straight right now, but you know, it's probably way too small for this room. I'm just trying to get it off the floor. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to arrange. The girls made her that sign. I think it's really cute. Just don't know if I want to keep it up there. I might put it over the change table. But yeah, I'm gonna be going ahead and doing a whole dusting video, a cleaning video, because I realize this is more of an organizing video, but I'm gonna be continuing to dust everything down from top to bottom in this room. Everything from top to bottom down in this room, and also giving it a good vacuum because her carpet is just kind of gross right now. She also spilled, you can't see it anymore, but she just spilled all this milk all over the carpet. I think somewhere right there you can see it was chocolate milk, so I had to clean that up a lot. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the day, guys. I'm not gonna take this out yet because I'm gonna have to go through it and sort out what's infant and what is just like toddler clothing and have them in the correct bin to store them properly in the closet in here. This one is supposed to have all toddler stuff as well, and I'm pretty sure I went through it, so I'm probably gonna have to go through it again. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more cleaning videos, and if you want to actually see the other part to me dusting and wiping down her room and all that jazz, leave a comment down below and I would definitely love to do that. It's spring and it's definitely the perfect time to just get all the dusting and cleaning done in her room. And how about a big pat on the back for myself? I feel so good about completing this tedious process. It's so time consuming. As you can see, I did it over a number of days, but you know what? When the going gets tough, you just keep going, and that's all I did. Is you just push through. Don't be defeated by things that might seem super difficult. Just do your best, and sometimes you can't get it done in one day, and I show that in my videos at times that I'll just, tackle a task another day. So I just want to put that out there. If these videos are cleaning motivation videos or anything like that for you guys, just keep in mind that it's not all as it seems when you watch cleaning videos. Sometimes you just have to do things the next day and the day after that, and you will get it done, and you just have to try your best. So I just hope there's something you can take away from just watching this video. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I really, really hope you enjoyed today's video. Much love, y'all.